pagtutuos. Kuya, pwede na.
Are you ready, audience? Who would like for you to be first? The beginning attack or the main basic?
Miss Basic! Miss Basic muna, kuya! Miss Basic!
So we want to know the beginning attack first before knowing Miss Basic. Okay, we will announce Miss Basic first.
Yes!
Okay, sabi ko mga ng Mr. Physics muna. Okay, Mr. Physics. Amin na total point.
Sarap! Sarap!
87.52. Okay, Mr. Physics is having a total score of 87.52. Candidate number 3.